Hi, today we're going to show you how to import recipients into your ESP account. As you can see, we've already logged in and we're on the My Audience tab on the Lists page. Below we have our lists that have already been created, and we're going to select the ESP Import Demo List, which has 0 recipients so far. So we'll click the Add Recipients button. And on the Add Recipients page, you'll notice 3 different ways one can add recipients. Import a recipient list, add individual recipients one by one, or create a sign-up form for your website or blog. Since we have multiple recipients in a single file, we're going to import new recipients. So we go to that page, make sure your list is selected that you would like to add recipients to, and then you have to locate the file on your computer. In this case, you choose either an XLSX file or a CSV file. XLSX is the standard Excel format, while CSV is the standard format used by email programs such as Outlook. So if you're exporting from Outlook, you would export to a CSV. I have an XLSX file here, and as you can see, the data is separated into 3 columns: email address, first name, and last name. In your Excel file and your CSV file, you want to make sure that your data is arranged this way into columns. So we'll go back to ESP. We know our file looks okay, so we're ready to import it. And we select it from our computer and we hit Go. The final step before we upload is assigning fields in ESP. This first column just shows the header from the Excel file. ESP will actually ignore this information, but here you can see email addresses, so we want to assign that to the email address field. It shows your first couple of first names. We assign those to the first name field, and then a couple of last names, so we know that's the last name field. You can, of course, also upload additional information, city, state, zip code, or custom fields that you create in ESP. We hit the Upload File button and it imports the list and even gives you a little progress report at the bottom of the screen. So our final step after we've returned to the home page is to go back to My Audience and view the list. We want to make sure our profiles have been uploaded correctly. Here's our list, 17 profiles uploaded, and we want to take a look and make sure everything looks okay. So we'll view the details, and there are our recipients, email addresses, first name, last name. It's all there, and you're ready to mail.